develop this engine. Let's start a cryogenic engine design journey, starting with the fundamental. A simple rocket propeller itself high into the sky using Newton's third law. In other words, when rocket engine ejects a high amount of mass at high speed, the rocket gains equal amount of momentum in the opposite direction. Obviously, to eject a high amount of fuel at high speed, rocket engine have to burn highly combustible fuel liquid. Fuel-based rocket engine are the most versatile engine for space propulsion. With the rocket, it is possible to efficiently control fuel injection and thrust using different type of valves, fuel and oxidizer together called the propellant. For selecting the fuel for rocket engines, specific impulse is the amount of push the rocket gets by burning per unit mass of propellant. So rocket clearly needs high specific impulse fuels. The rocket exhaust gas speed is proportional to the temperature which is developed while burning all the propellant. Therefore, the calorific value of fuel is the crucial. Thus, high calorific value fuel is needed for the cryogenic engine, and hydrogen does not yeah, we uses hydrogen as a fuel in a rocket engine because it is a non-corrodible and non-toxic fuel. That's the positive point. That's why we are using it, and it is highly inflammable. That's why it is the that is highly flammable fuel. That's why we use as it. It is in the gas form at a room temperature, and the hydrogen is looking so cool, right? Liquidification of hydrogen result in compact volume. It is decreases, therefore the cryogenic come into picture, and we will cool it at a minus 253 degrees centigrade, and the hydrogen is liquefied at that temperature and become a compact volume, and it is stored in a very less volume. If we use in a gas form, then lots of amount of volume and become the rocket becomes quite bulky, and their aerodynamic shape gonna change if we use it in a gas form. And our second one is from at this extremely low temperature, and needed same process. We have jet produce the cryogenic propellant. These two tanks are covered by the bigger outer tanks, which
Due to the ignition, the combustion takes place. When combustion takes place in combustion chamber,